Welcome to another episode of the Crystal's Culinary Corner Show. This week we're going to be making mango salsa. I am going to be using organic, amazing Italian olive oil from the farmer's market. I'm going to be using some garlic salt, 2 mangoes, half a red onion, a whole lime, half a jalapeno pepper because I like my mango salsa a tad bit hot, and some cilantro. Now let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is peel my mangoes. If you have a potato peeler, I believe it works as well. Just got so used to doing this. Mango is halfway ripened. Alright, now that we peel our mango, we're going to be dicing it. Then I'm going to repeat the process for the other mango. It's a little bit slippery. Now we're going to hold our mango from the bottom and dice accordingly, according to the marks that we've done. This is super healthy, super refreshing recipe to enjoy throughout the week. I'm going to repeat the process on the other side. Now it's easier because we're able to peel from the other side. Right, we're gonna hold our mango and do the same thing. Might be able to get 2 rolls out of that one. And you want all that amazing mango juice to fall in there to give it more flavor. Then I kind of go around and just peel the sides. All right, we're gonna repeat the same process with the other mango. So I have 2 mangoes in the bowl. Now I'm going to be chopping half of my red onion, and I'm going to be starting with half of jalapeno in case it's a really hot one. See you guys on the other side. Now that we have our 2 mangoes in there, half a medium red onion, and half a jalapeno, I'm going to be processing the cilantro. So the easiest way to process the cilantro is to leave it in a bundle. Then you chop from the top. You look to see if there's any of those bitter hard sticks. I like to get them out. I like my mango salsa to be extremely flavorful. And these are the sticks that I'm talking about. Especially here in Texas, I found a lot of those really thick sticks. Go for the win. This is definitely a decent amount of it. I'm just gonna make 1 more cut to my cilantro, and that should be way sufficient. Gonna look to see if I can find a couple more sticks. That way you know how to process your cilantro. You've been getting a little bit of bitterness in your recipes. Comes from the stems. And now we're going to be chopping our cilantro. Now to finish off, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Let's try 4. And this is the freshest olive oil. Comes all the way from the heart of Italy, processed here in Texas. I'm going to be stirring that. It's definitely the right amount, 4 teaspoons. To balance that, I'm going to be adding just 2 dashes of garlic salt. And last but not least, and our final ingredient is nothing but a lime. Gonna cut that right in the center. Cut it in half. And I would say half a lime. It's a good starting point, depending on how sour you want it. But to me, this is the perfect recipe. So that was 2 medium-sized mangoes, half a red onion, half a jalapeno, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and half a lime, and 2 dashes of garlic salt. This is so delicious and so fresh. Thank you so much for watching this week. Please don't forget to hit the red button below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for the support. I will see you guys next week for more tips and tricks on staying inspired.